So we just bought this like 2 days ago. It was a piece of crap. No, it actually worked really well, but I crashed it and it really destroyed it.
That spoiler.
It broke the spoiler, as you can see. So we're gonna see what happens when you smash it.
Well, dude, it's a perfectly fun problem. Okay, here. My turn.
There's the backside.
Look.
Wait, it looks like a Ferrari now.
Here, I got this.
Wait, let me see it when it's
Fine.
first wreckage.
You just took off the...
How does it look from the front?
Yeah, the front's fine.
Here,
Cool.
All right.
Wait. Let me just... Go ahead. That was a lot of shards. Same? Just
Hey,
shards.
look at that.
this.
Ooh.
Boom, boom. Vroom, vroom.
Okay.
Get out the broken car.
Oh, I thought that would be
epic. My turn.
Hold on.
My turn. My turn. My turn.
That front's really strong.
Dang.
After your turn, it's my turn. That's how it works. You know me. Hannah, you
Oh.
wanna try?
Front's coming
Hannah
up.
tries. I'm holding.
Make sure you get the entire...
There goes the front bumper.
Whoo! Hold on. You can make a car out of this.
That's half a car right there.
They're still intact, though.
Oh yeah.
Hannah goes, then I go, then Jack goes. So, Hannah.
It is loud.
Right, go. Here, I got this. Don't tear
We're
it.
losing a side panel.
Don't tear it. A shard flew off and hit the bush.
Huh?
Wait, let's collect all the pieces right
Yeah.
quick.
Oh, he's gonna smack it into the bar.
No, I'm gonna...
Throw it down the stairs.
All right. Ooh.
Oh, dang!
I got it.
Well, it's
you can only
officially
call it.
missing one of the wheels.
I think
I
I broke it.
Oh, that's cool. It's like watertight. That's epic.
We should take that out.
Wait,
before
you
we
lost a
break it.
wheel?
We're gonna have to try to rebuild this, guys. It's gonna look epic. So masterpieceful.
Wait. Oh, you're not doing that properly.
I just did it. You didn't see all that carnage?
You gotta take off all the shards. Then what you're gonna do?
I'll mess with the other pieces.
Here, you see how this is like a handle? You just gotta.
Oh, I see.
I just hold on.
Dang.
Look at that.
Ooh, that
now,
hurts.
hold on. Ooh. You said that hurts?
Yeah.
And hold it like that. Now hit on. Hit it, somebody.
Okay.
Watch out for shards.
You see that? Oh, I heard it.
I'm not gonna throw this.
Wait, here's the engine. I got it.
Yeah, guys, we're totally not destructive. Hold on, I want the wheel.
Fine. You're holding the camera.
Yeah, I know.
We have
No,
to
it's
put
like,
this
oh,
back
okay,
together,
got
dude.
everything we need. Let's just take the tire.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at the motor. I'm just gonna take this.
Ooh, that bounces.
Here, I got this.
Ooh. Not where the cars are. Meow.
Hold on.
4.
Celsius.
Ooh, snap.
Oh,
Brake pad.
I broke it. I accidentally kicked it.
This is like actual metal.
Do we need which one do we need?
Hey, car junkers, we need jobs.
Hey.
Well, we're gonna try to assemble this,
Yeah, no, we need this part. Yeah.
and we'll see when that's done. So, let's do that real quick.
I'll be right back.
They did it, sort of.
Okay, so this is what it looks like.
We couldn't find the rest of the pieces, and we didn't know where they were.
Really?
So
Look at all those.
you've got the nice and improved engine. Oh crap! The engine.
You got your subwoofers.
Well, now we're gonna break it even more. So
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hold on. I call dibs on the engine, on the motor.
don't own it. That was epic. 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Cogwheel going over there.
Oh, and it finally took back.
There's that.
Dang. Oh, I got that finally.
It's like the hardest piece ever.
I'm gonna get this.
Without ripping. Get the seats.
We need our trash bag.
After this, no one will be able to know what this was. This is type alien spaceship.
Guys, look how nice and new this engine looks.
Oh, nice. Can I take on it?
Wait, it's broken.
Let me step on it.
Now it's time for the motherboard. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swing it and. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our email into the
Description.
into the description. And if you want an autographed piece of this, just email us your address.
Jack.
And you can have this car.
Well, that's it for this time.
Hold on.
Well, maybe not.
Okay.
Nothing.